Good morning all of you. So our today's topic of video is how to check whether your journal is Scopus or SCI index or not. As we know that in market a number of journals are there and few journals are stating that they are Scopus index, but it's better to check whether this journal is Scopus or SCI index currently or not. So checking the current status of that journal is very important thing. So as a researcher, maybe the case that a number of questions that may arise in your mind regarding the journal publication. So very first question, that is whether my journal is Scopus index or not. So I recommend you to, whenever you are submitting your paper to any journal, first of all you should check whether that journal is indexed in Scopus or not. Suppose you are targeting Scopus index journal. Suppose you are targeting SCI index journal, then you have to check the current status. Why current status is important? Because this index, SCI index or Scopus index, they are changing or they are updating frequently. Okay, there is a time period is fixed for that. So maybe the case that few journals which is listed in the Scopus in the previous year, but maybe the case that that journal is discontinued in current year, and most of the journal they are publishing this detail on the website, but there are few journals are there means they are discontinued from the Scopus list, but still they are showing that the status of a Scopus. That's why it's very important, before submitting paper to any journal, you have to check what is the current status of the journal. If the current status of the journal is Scopus index, then you have to submit it. Suppose you are targeting SCI index journal, first of all you have to check and then you have to submit it. Then how long my journal is listed in the Scopus. Suppose you want to know that, suppose you have selected a particular journal which is a Scopus one, but suppose you want to know that whether this journal is listed in the Scopus since from how many year. Suppose I want to check that thing, then can I able to check it? So answer is yes, I can check that my journal, my journal is associated with the Scopus since from how many years. So this is again question. Then what is the ranking of my journal in a particular year? So in case of a Scopus, ranking is available from 2011, and you want to know that what is the ranking of your journal in particular year since from 2011. So if any of the question from this is arising in your mind, then this video will definitely help you. So now I will show you how to check the status of a particular journal. So first of all, I will tell you how to check the status of a Scopus journal. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to check whether journal is Scopus index or not, and whether journal is SCI index or not. These two things I am targeting in this particular video. So first we'll target about Scopus. So for that purpose, you need to visit this site www.scopus.com. So once you open this site, you can see the option looking for free journal ranking. So in that case, you need just click on view journal ranking. You just click on view journal ranking, and then in that case you have various options are available. Subject area means you can search your journal either by subject area or by title, publisher or ISSN. But it's very means generally I recommend you to search your journal based on ISSN number, because it's a unique one. Maybe the case that sometimes there is a confusion in the name of the journal, so it's better to search your journal with the ISSN because it is a unique number assigned to any journal. So just consider that I have this journal Computers in Industry and its ISSN number is given. So I want to check that whether this journal is currently associated with the Scopus or not. So I just want to check this. So I just copy pasted the ISSN number for this journal and just click on find sources. As soon as I click on find sources, it is showing me the result for Computers in Industry. That means currently Computers in Industry journal is listed in the Scopus. And here you can see site score is there. This is site score given as a 10, and this is for 2019. Here I can tell you you can have year since from 2013. So you can see the site score from 2013 to 2019. So site score for this journal in 2019 is 10. Later on I will show you how this that value is calculated. Higher percentile is 97%, and generally for general engineering that journal is better. Then the citation from the year 2016 to 19 is 4080. These many citations are there for this particular journal from 2016 to 19. And documents, how many documents are published in this particular journal from 16 to 19? 409, and percent cited is 84. Now suppose you want to get more details about this particular journal, since from how many year this journal is listed in the Scopus, you just click on that. So it will show you the name of journal, Scopus in industry. So here you will find Scopus coverage year. So Scopus coverage year is from 1979 to present. That means computers in industry is one of the Scopus index journal, and it is associated with the Scopus since from 1979 to present. That means there is no discontinuity in the Scopus Scopus status for this particular journal, and the publisher is elsewhere. Its ISSN number is given. Here you can find the subject area, engineering, general engineering, and computer science. So it will show you. Here you can see the citation score 10. SJR for 2019 is 1.007, SNIP for 2019 is 2.63, and here you can see how that citation score for particular year is calculated. So in the year of 2019 it has a cite score of 10.0. So how it is being calculated? So here it is shown there, 4080. These many citations obtained by this journal from the year 2016 to 19, and total 409 articles or manuscript is published by this journal. So from that this score was calculated. So here you can check this score for 2018 also. So here you just change the year. So in case of 2018, here you can find 2940 citation obtained by this journal, and total 388 manuscripts were published by this particular journal. So here you can see that cite score is available since from year 2011 to 2019. Similarly, you will find cite score for 2020. This is a cite score for 2018. Now suppose you want to check current cite score, means in the current year what is the status. So 9.1. so till now 3551 citation will be there, 392 documents they are published till now. So cite score rank will be there. So here if you go cite score rank and trend, so here you will find information related to this. So the rank for this particular journal is 9th in the year of if you talk about in the year of 2018. Suppose you talk about year of 2019, then this journal Computers in Industry ranked 8 overall. So ACS Nano is a journal which is having the highest cited score in 2018, that is 23.5, and this Computers in Industry journal ranked 8 with a cite score of 10.0. So I already shown you how that cite score will be calculated. So this is all about the cite score rank for this particular journal. And the Scopus content coverage, this is also, you can see this journal is available in the Scopus since from 1979. So this is how you can check whether your journal is listed in the Scopus list or not. Suppose it is listed, so it is associated with the Scopus since from how many years, and what is the cite score, what is the current rank for this particular journal. So this many information you can check. Now I will show you, suppose particular journal which is not listed in the Scopus, then what kind of result you obtain. Again you have to just go to that site scopus.com, again click on view journal ranking, and here I will select ISSN. So there is one journal called as IJCI. Just randomly choose the journal, and I just copy this ISSN, and I will copy over here. I will check whether this journal is Scopus index or not. So I just copy pasted the ISSN for this particular journal and click on find resources. As this journal is not listed in the Scopus, that's why I'm not getting the result. That means that journal is not currently indexed in the Scopus list. So this is how you can take a decision that whether your current whatever the journal that you have selected is Scopus index or not. Don't go on the information displayed on the website. You have to just verify whether they are saying right or wrong, so that you can verify with the help of this particular site. So this is particular for Scopus. Now suppose you want to check whether your journal is listed in the SCI or not, means whether your journal is SCI or not. So again, what you will do here, you just first of all I will tell you what site I am going to use to check whether given journal is SCI listed or not. So you need to visit a site for Web of Science Group, and the URL is mjl.clarivate.com. This is a official website of a Web of Science, where you can check whether your journal is SCI index or not. So we'll check this journal. Which journal? Computers in Industry, whether it is SCI index or not. We already confirmed that Computers in Industry is one of the Scopus journal. Now I want to check that whether it is SCI index or not, so that I can check. So here, refine your search. This option is available, search journal. Here you need to just paste the ISSN or title. So here I have pasted ISSN. I already told you that you just I recommend you that to select ISSN number to avoid any kind of duplication or any confusion in the name, and just click on the search. So just click on the search, so it will show you whether it is listed in the SCI list or not. So just click on the search. So here you will find Computers in Industry is listed in the SCI. So here you can see publisher, ISSN, Web of Science. So here they have seen Science Citation Index Expanded. So it is a SCI expanded journal. Now again we have to check for another ISSN. We know that this is not a SCI journal, but just for clarity we just copy paste it and check whether it is SCI index or not. So here we got a result, found 0 result. That means this particular journal is not SCI index. So in this way you can verify whether your journal is Scopus index or not, or whether your journal is SCI index or not. It's not it's not a matter what that particular website is saying, or some person is saying that this particular journal is Scopus index or not, whether this journal is SCI index or not. So you have to clarify your doubt by visiting this particular site. So I recommend these two sites. First of all, you want to check whether your journal is Scopus index or not, you have to visit this site scopus.com, and suppose you want to check whether your journal is SCI index or not, you need to visit this site mjl.clarivate.com, and you just push the ISSN number or title of the journal. So I again recommend to use ISSN number to avoid any kind of confusion. Maybe the case that few journal may have same name, so by spelling mistake will be there. So it's better to search a journal based on ISSN number. So I hope you understand how to check whether your journal is Scopus index or not, or SCI index or not. Thank you.